Hi everybody, we are expected to evaluate this expression which has got nested roots in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So how are we going to do this? Now foremost, before we could do this, we will have to understand this property. Now suppose you have mth root of n, then this is nothing but n raised to the power of 1 over m. Now, if this in case is basically embedded within another root, something of this fashion, say pth root of mth root of n, then this is nothing but pth root of this value. And this quantity can be rewritten as n raised to the power of 1 over m, which in turn is raised to the power of 1 over p. Now, from the law of indices, we can actually write a raised to the power of m, which in turn is raised to the power of some p, is equal to a raised to the power of m times p. So this is a very important property available in the exponential rule. So by that rule, this can be rewritten as n raised to the power of 1 over m times p. So all that I'm trying to tell you here is, whenever you have nested roots in this fashion, this is equivalent in rewriting the entire expression in this fashion. The quantity inside, which is called as the radicand, raised to the power of the indices, right? So that would be the equivalent of nested roots which you see here. So having mentioned that, let me just rewrite the numerator as n. What I'm going to do is, instead of writing it in this fashion, in fact, let me just tell you this also. Now what is this? This is nothing but mth root of n, right? This is a very important point that we need to take into account. So n raised to the power of 1 over m times p can be rewritten as mth root of n. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. In this case, you got the third root of 12th root of n. This can be rewritten as 3 times 12 is 36. So this is going to be 36th root of n. Now you have got 4th root of 1000 multiplied with 9th root of n. So what I wish to do is, I would like to rewrite this using the law that I've just shown you here. This is nothing but 10,000 raised to the power of 1 over 4, and in this case I'm going to multiply directly. 4 times 9, so that's going to be 36th root of n. Now clearly these two can be cancelled, so I've got 1 over. Now this is 10,000, right? So 10,000 can be rewritten as 10 raised to the power of 4, which in turn is raised to the power of 1 over 4. Now I've just shown you here a raised to the power of m, which in turn raised to the power of p, can be rewritten as a raised to the power of m times p. So this can be rewritten as 1 over 10 raised to the power of 4 times 1 over 4. So 4 and 4 can be cancelled, giving me 1 over 10, which is equal to 0.1. So the value, or I should say the equivalent evaluation, which has resulted in providing us with this answer 0.1. Thank you.